Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the option called clocks. And once you find the clocks icon, tap on it. And here we have the different types of clocks, as you can see, but we are interested in the alarms. Tap on it. And now we can set up our alarm. We can set the hour and minutes. So let's set it to the time on which the alarm should go off. I'm gonna set it to 8:30, for example, like this, and then tap on the check mark. Tap on the check mark again, and here we have our alarm, and we can customize it a bit further. We can tap on the repeat option and select how often the alarm should go off, and we have once, so basically it will go off and it won't repeat. Then we have daily, weekdays, weekend, and custom. And custom allows you to select specific days for it. Then we have sound and vibe, and here we can adjust the volume and also enable or disable the vibration. Next we have label. You can assign label for it. Then we have the icon for the alarm clock. And once you're done, you can tap on save right here to save your alarm clock, and it will appear right here on the list, and you can turn it on or off. You can edit it if you want to. You can also add another one just for the sake of the video. Come on. Okay, so now we have multiple. You can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on delete. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can always press the lower button to go back. Also, I forgot to mention, if you turn on the alarm, so if you go to clocks, turn it on, and go back to clocks menu, it will say how many alarms are enabled, basically right here in the clocks menu. So if you're not sure, you can always check it there. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.